MDMA started as a forgotten lab experiment. Then, the CIA tested it, the therapists used it in secret, and it took over raves around the world. And now, it might become a medicine again. Yeah, the story is weird. What's up everyone, I'm Octavio and this is EnigmaHunter. In this channel we're gonna talk about strange stories and, hidden secrets and stuff like that. I don't know, if you like learning while questioning your life choices, subscribe to my channel and leave a like. Today's episode we're gonna talk about MDMA. MDMA was created in 1912 by a German chemist working for a company called Merck. But there is an important detail. He wasn't trying to invent a party drug. The goal was to stop bleeding. Instead, he accidentally created MDMA. Merck patented it in 1914, looked at it and said, nah. And MDMA went straight into the archive drawer where the ideas go to die. Fast forward to the Cold War, the US government started asking a very dangerous question. What if we had a drug that makes people talk? So they tested everything, LSDs, MDMA, and other substances that probably shouldn't exist. LSD became famous through MKUltra. MDMA, they said it was boring. Back to the drawer it went. However, in the 1970s, a chemist named Alexander found MDMA again. This guy wasn't a hippie stereotype. He was extremely serious, extremely organized, and extremely curious. He tested MDMA carefully and he noticed something different. People felt calm, less afraid, more open, more honest. Basically, therapy mode unlocked. He showed it to Leo Zeff, a psychologist, and they started secret therapy sessions. Patients took MDMA in controlled environments with therapists guiding them. Some therapists said one session did the work of months. That's a big claim. By the early 1980s, about 500,000 doses had already been used in therapy. And at that point, secrets don't stay secret. People start talking. Man, this thing changed my life. I opened up emotionally. I cried. I hugged people and I felt human again. Other people said, cool, can I try it at a party? And then that's basically how MDMA entered nightlife. Around 1981, it was sold as ecstasy. It was legal. You could buy it openly, sometimes even next to a protein powder. Yes, that actually happened. Soon ecstasy became part of a rave culture, especially in Europe. Popularity brought problems. Pills weren't just MDMA anymore. They were mixed with amphetamines, caffeine, ketamine, or really dangerous stuff. People started getting sick. Some died. So, in 1985, the US banned MDMA completely. Other countries followed. Research stopped for almost 20 years. MDMA mainly affects three brain chemicals: serotonin, which is responsible for your mood, empathy, and connection; dopamine, which is responsible for pleasure; and norepinephrine, which is responsible for energy. So, your brain says, I'm happy, I love everyone, I have infinite energy, you're gonna be great for a few hours. Then, your brain says, yeah, about that, I need a break. That's the crash. You feel tired, sad, empty, questioning life. Basically, emotional credit card debt. In the 2000s, MDMA became harder to make. Dealers didn't stop selling it, they just sold fake versions. By 2009, about 70% of pills sold as MDMA barely had MDMA. Later, MDMA returned, but much stronger. Some pills had 5, 6, or even 7 times the old dose, which explains why deaths didn't stop. While all that was happening, organizations pushed for medical research again, but this time pure MDMA, controlled doses, doctors and therapists present. In 2021, the FDA gave MDMA breakthrough therapy status for PTSD. The same substance that was banned worldwide might become a medicine. Today, MDMA is one of the most used drugs in the world, with about 20 million users. This drug went from an accident to a secret therapy, to a rave culture, to a global ban, and to a possible medical comeback. That's an enigma worth hunting. This is EnigmaHunter. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.